Hello, my name is Michael. Now I will show you how you can use chat to make contact with other users. To do it, you must press the icon of chat, so it's two blue clouds. Press it. Now you can see that window have shown up. This is the window where you can chat with other users. Let's roll to Claudio. I also see that there's Ignes online. She's not my friend yet. So first I'll make contact with her. You can minimize window of chat pressing on circle. And now you can see that there are two squares. If someone writes to me, the square is jumping, like here. So it means that Ignes write me a message. Claudio also write me a message. So I will invite Claudio to my private video chat room. Ignes also sent me a message. I have free day. Okay, so Ignes wants to speak with me in a private room. I will send her an invitation. How to do it, I'll show you in another movie.